So for this lesson, we're going to learn about the next element of art, which is color. I want you to think about some colors that you know. What are some things that are found in nature that have those colors that you thought of? So let's go ahead and get started. Our vocabulary for this lesson is color wheel. So a color wheel is a design for organizing colors that shows the spectrum bent into a circle. So we'll see what a color wheel looks like in the following slides, but this is just the word definition. And our other vocabulary word is rainbow. So I'm sure you all know what a rainbow is. A rainbow consists of the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, and it's curved into a semicircle, so that means it's half a circle. Let's take a look at these two artworks. What are some similarities and differences between these two paintings? So I'll give you a moment to think about that. So something that's the same that I noticed about these two paintings is, of course, the colors. They have almost directly the same colors, almost all actually. And some differences that I notice is that this painting here has a lot of different shapes, a lot of different lines, a lot of things that we can recognize, some objects and plants. So we see a fireplace, some paintings, a plant here. And with this painting, it's just a rainbow of colors and rectangular shapes here. Okay, now what colors do you see in these two paintings? What are some colors that you notice? So right away we can recognize these colors. So we have yellow, light green, lighter green, almost like a teal, light blue, blue, violets, hot pink, red, orange, yellow, orange, or yellow, yellow, orange, and yellow. So we got a lot of colors going on here. So is there any items in this top painting here that you see for each color? What are some items or objects that you notice in the painting? Okay, so a color wheel shows the colors of the rainbow in order. So right here we have our color wheel and we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So that's what the rainbow colors are as well, and it shows it in that order. So for practice with our colors, I want you to draw something for all colors of the color wheel. So I want you to draw something that's red. What's something that you can think of that's red? What's something that you can think of that's orange? And then yellow, green, blue, and purple, okay? And I want you to draw something for each of those colors. Then when you finish that, for your project, what you're gonna do is let's take a look at these two paintings. Let's see how they use the rainbow colors. So with the snail, we can see that they went up the snail's shell with rainbow. And for this parrot, this student did the feathers in a rainbow design. It looks super cool. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick an object or an animal or any sort of plant that you're gonna color in like a rainbow. So you see this parrot, here's a rainbow, and this snail's here's a rainbow. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw that thing that you decide, and then you're gonna outline it with a black marker so you can see it more clearly, so the outline is more defined. If you don't have a black marker, then you can use a black crayon, that's fine. Then what you're gonna do using crayons or anything that you have at home is you're gonna color in that object like a rainbow. And then you're gonna decorate your background. So the instructions say to paint the background with rainbow colors in order, just like this student did. So you can try that, or if you decide you wanna do something else, you can do that as well, okay? Now for your art criticism question, some questions to think about is, which objects did you draw? So this is what we're gonna take a look at whenever we're sharing our artwork with each other. This is the questions we'll ask each other. What rainbow colors did you use? Did your rainbow colors go in order, either across or down in the picture? And interpret, how does your picture make you feel? Does it make you feel any sort of emotion? Does your rainbow world look like a place in which you'd like to live? So consider those questions when you're working on your artwork. Now to submit your assignment, you're gonna go to your grade. So make sure you click the appropriate grade. I'm gonna use second grade as an example. You'll go to your assignments. And then the project name for this is Rainbow Colors Project. So you have until Friday to get this done. And then, let's see. And then if you're in second, third, fourth, and fifth grade, you will answer these questions at the top. So those are the same questions we just looked at in the last slide of the presentation. And then after you answer those questions, you'll submit your photo, you'll upload your photo, and then you'll turn in your assignment. So if you have any questions or you're having trouble uploading or answering the questions for your assignment, just let me know and I'll help you out with that, okay?